A few days ago, it was reported on the preliminary agreement between France and Greece for the acquisition of Rafale fighters. Contacts between the Greek and French governments regarding the acquisition of 18 Rafale fighter jets for the Greek Air Force are at an advanced stage. According to reliable sources, the contacts between the two sides are at a very advanced level, with those who know the background expressing the assessment that within 2020 the agreement will have been officially announced. In fact, according to the same well-informed sources, the discussions are now taking place at the level of governments, with all that this may mean for the very big deal. Based on what has been leaked so far, the agreement seems to be moving at two levels. The first provides for the donation of 8 fighter jets from the French Air Force to the Greek, and the second the purchase of 10 brand new Rafale from France. The 8 planes that will be given as a gift are the ones that attacked months ago at the Al Watan air base in Libya, where Turkish military forces were stationed. Egypt, which is considered to be an ally of France and Greece, now has 23 Rafale fighters. They are also discussing with French authority for additional 20 Rafale jets as follow-on order. For the French company Dassault, it is extremely difficult to produce 30 aircraft immediately for both countries. French authority has requested Egypt to receive 10 jets instead of 20, so France can deliver rest 10 to Greece immediately. In next batch Egypt will be delivered the 10 more. In this way, Greece will be helped in present volatile situation with Turkey. As per source, Egypt has given positive signal to French proposal. Experts think that an alignment among Greece, France and Egypt is strongly emerging. So, Greek Air Force can expect a quick delivery of 4.5 generation Rafale jets, which will give them an edge on Turkish Air Force undoubtedly. Thank you everyone for watching this video.